Hello, welcome back to your channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I really love having new subscribers and making new friends. And please remember to click the thumbs up button for me. I really appreciate you all so much. Today I am going to show you all my Ipsy Plus bag. Y'all know it comes with the little, y'all have probably already seen these, but I want to show you anyway. It comes with a cute little magic bag, and the back says Your Magic, and it has the drawstring. They started doing this. I think this is the third Ipsy Plus bag that they've put them in the drawstring bags and gave us a choice. We get to choose 3 items now. So I'm going to show you all. Oops, I keep dropping stuff. The first item I'm going to show you is the Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion Pore Perfecting Exfoliator. This retails for $58, and this is actually going to be in the giveaway because I have tried this and I just think someone out there might like to try it. And Dr. Brandt is a very expensive product, so this is going to be in a giveaway, so stay tuned. And then I got I'm looking on the thing here, since they don't send us cards anymore. I don't think. Let me look and see if they might have included a card. I didn't even think to look because they don't usually. No, that's not a card. I did see somebody say they were going to start including a card this month, but I don't have one in here. And then this was one of my choices, just mainly because it was the only thing I really saw that looked like something I would use. And here is, I guess, a top coat, the shiny coat, it's the clear coat, and this pretty little pink color. I think the bottles are just adorable. So this one retails for $37. I just can't imagine, but that's what it says. Of course, these are full. Oops. Well, now I dropped that package. It's like the third thing I've dropped in the last little bit. And then this was one of my choices, the Thrive Bright Eye Brightener in the color Amma. Let's see. This is full size of this is $24. This is an eyeshadow stick. Okay. Let's see, I thought it was like an eye brightener for around your eyes, but okay. It's very creamy. It is creamy. So there is that. I thought this was like for, your waterline to help brighten your eyes up, but that says on here an eyeshadow stick. It is a shimmering copper, and yeah, I don't really know that would brighten up your waterline, but okay, there's that. And then my other choice, I think, let's see, there's one. Oh yeah, my other choice was, I had been wanting to try this Moods Laura Sanchez. This says this retails for $35, but I have seen it on Ipsy for months now, but I have never gotten it. And like I said, I have wanted to try this, so this pretty much made my box because I've wanted to try this. This is pretty much the only product I was really thrilled about, because I have really wanted to try this for a good long time. Well, I can't get the thing off. I'm going to do a review on this soon. Let me look at that pretty color. Oh, that's pretty. I will do a full review on this. Oh, I like that color. Look at that. So I'll do a full review. What I say, that's $35, and this will also be in the giveaway. It's the Seraphine Botanicals. It is completely sealed, so I'm going to leave it that way. I will show you my phone. It says this retails for $42. Let's see if I can get my phone. There it goes. That is the palette. I'm going to put that in the giveaway with the Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasions. So leave me comments. These two items together are almost $100 value, and I will probably put in a few other little things. So make sure you leave comments, because I will be picking from this post or this video for those two products. Like I said, that retails for $42. And then I added on, let me go find it. I added on the Hey Honey Silk Good Morning Honey Silk Facial Serum. This retails for $48. And I think this was, an add-on was $12. Can't get enough good serums, and I know they say Hey Honey is a really good one, and it said good morning, so I just had to try this out. So I got that as an add-on. And did I see I got some other add-ons? What was it? I added on this. I didn't realize it was on. I was getting these in my regular bag. This is the Tarte Tinted Moisturizer, and I did add that on for $3, not knowing it would be in my other bag. And then I got the Tarte, let's see, what is this? Double Duty Shape Tape Setting Powder. This retails for $34. Let's see. Okay, it has the little Buffy thing here. I can get it. I know the Shape Tape is supposed to be, I've used the concealer and I didn't particularly like it. It just felt, I don't have real drying under eyes, but it did make my eyes feel dry. So I didn't really care for it, but the Shape Tape primer I liked just fine. So you see, it's, if you can see, it's like a really, really light color. It's not completely white, but it's a light color, and it comes in this packaging. This is full size, and it retails, like I said, $34. I think it was in their $12. I don't know. Oh, okay. There, open it at the top, or you can open it the whole thing like I did to get the sticky thing off. So I got that, and I dropped it in the floor, but I will tell you about it. The Benefit Cosmetics Brow Neutral Light Brown Volumizing for your eyebrows. I added that on for $3 to try it and see if it really works. I will do a review. I've already got my stuff on my eyebrows, but I will do a review on that one too. So for my box, I got, these were, the nail polishes were my choice. The Thrive, what is, it's an eyeshadow stick, highlighting stick. I'm going to have to try this and see how it looks on the waterline, because it's really ring light technology. I'm going to have to try that. And then I got the Moods was my choices, and what they gave me was these two items, and I've already got this and I've already tried this, so I'm going to give those to someone. So leave me comments, and as I go, I've got two more giveaways to finish up, and I think I've got to keep track of it because I've got so many different things I want to give, small things as we go instead of huge things, so that I can give away more. I really think that's the way to do it because I don't want anyone to feel left out. I know that's impossible, but I feel really bad if I don't. I just want to give as much as I can to you all, so please bear with me. Hopefully, eventually, I can manage to give away as much as possible. I have, like I said, I've got 2 I'm fixing to finish up, and I just started a new one, and then I've got this one. So make sure you leave your comments, because I will be picking from this particular video when I get ready to pick the winner. It will be from this video, because that way I'm not getting it confused with my other videos and getting the winners confused, because I do have a couple really big ones that I will choose overall, but this one will stay in this video. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you all soon. Love you guys. Bye bye.